Who wants to get dirty? Hey guys, this is Chris from Chris and Cami Photography, and my buddy Jason and I, we did the whole Moto Photo Mexico adventure together. He did the editing and I did the traveling. And because both of our businesses are kind of down right now with the whole coronavirus pandemic going on, we decided we're going to run up to Cape Hatteras area of North Carolina and jump on the TransAmerica Trail. Now, if you're not familiar with this trail, it's also called the TAT, but it's basically a patchwork of off-road trails, farm roads, fire roads, trucking routes. 90% of it is dirt, off-road, and some rural paved roads, of course, mixed in. And it goes from the east coast of America all the way to the Pacific coast, from the Atlantic to the Pacific. 90% of it or whatever is dirt and off the beaten path. So my brother lives in Hiawassee, Georgia, and that's not too far from Tellico Plains, Tennessee. And that's the first leg of the TransAmerica Trail, is from the coast at Cape Hatteras over to Tellico Plains, Tennessee. So we're going to take a week and run off and do that. Now the downside is that neither of us has been riding off-road a whole lot recently, so just for fun today we decided to go out to the Francis Marion Forest and get a little bit of extra training in before our TransAmerica Trail begins. So follow along. Here's a fun little video where we went out basically training for the TransAmerica Trail. So what happened?
Going around the corner just like I said I was going to. The front tire kind of went like this. It squirreled me and made me scared, and I just freaked out and went to the water. Roadside.
Hey, at least you didn't go down, huh?
Didn't go down.
Awesome.
I was practicing. That was the second corner. The first corner I did it perfectly. I leaned hard, it did right, and the second one I leaned hard and it didn't do right.
There's nothing like experience, which is why we're doing this. Who wants to get dirty?
He's going. I don't want to do what he did. I don't know that I can make it.
That's what I'm saying. You're too wide.
I'm either going to go left or right. Tell you what, you go first and I'll record you. I'm already recording. I'm going left. Whoa! Nice.
What? You can go up around? Is that what you're saying? Oh, I see. That's a lot of brush on that side. Yeah, it looks like the other three guys went down that way. No idea how much longer this road is, but we'll see. We are definitely having way more fun than we paid for. We survived. That was awesome. Now I hope you guys will subscribe and follow along, because we are going to put together an epic episode of the TransAmerica Trail video for the YouTube channel. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit the bell icon if you want to be notified when the new videos come out. And we will see you in about a week. Yeah, how did your top stay so clean? Look at mine.
Cut in right real close to you.
Look at this.
I don't know. That's weird. That is kind of bizarre.
You were doing wheelies through it.